Hey there, you've just discovered a hidden treasure trove of cryptocurrency on Newton. But the platform doesn't offer the trading features or community you're looking for. What if we told you there's a way to transfer your crypto from Newton to Binance, a platform known for its vast trading options and active community? In this video, we'll dive deep into the process of transferring crypto from Newton to Binance. We'll cover everything from setting up your Binance account to executing the transfer safely and securely. So, let's get started. Body. Section 1. Understanding Newton and Binance. Before we get into the transfer process, let's briefly discuss what Newton and Binance are. Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform that offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Binance, on the other hand, is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its advanced trading features, low fees, and vast selection of cryptocurrencies. While both platforms have their strengths, you might find that Binance better suits your trading needs. Section 2. Setting up your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, you'll need to create one before transferring your crypto. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set up your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and click on the Register button. Provide your email address and create a strong password. Verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Complete the KYC process by providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. Section 3. Transferring crypto from Newton to Binance. Now that you have your Binance account set up, let's get to the main event, transferring your crypto from Newton to Binance. Here's how to do it. Log into your Newton account and navigate to your wallet. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the Withdraw button. Enter the Binance withdrawal address for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. You can find this address in your Binance wallet. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details and click on the Withdraw button again to confirm. The transfer process may take a few minutes or even hours depending on the network congestion. You can track the status of your transfer in your Binance wallet. Section 4. Security Tips. When transferring crypto, it's essential to prioritize security. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Use strong, unique passwords for both your Newton and Binance accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never share your login credentials or private keys with anyone. Verify the withdrawal address before sending your crypto. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Section 5. Additional considerations. Before transferring your crypto, there are a few additional factors to consider. Fees. Both Newton and Binance charge fees for withdrawals. Make sure to factor these fees into your calculations. Minimum withdrawal amounts. There may be minimum withdrawal amounts for certain cryptocurrencies. Network congestion. During periods of high network activity, transfers may take longer and fees may be higher. Conclusion. Transferring crypto from Newton to Binance is a relatively straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this video and taking necessary security precautions, you can safely and securely transfer your crypto to a platform that better suits your trading needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.